Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. This is Hector at telemarketer411, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to create a project on telemarketer411.com. Let's get started. Now that you have access to the platform, just go ahead and click on the projects tab on the left hand side and it will take you to this page. Just go ahead and click on Add Project, enter the name of the project, and click on Create. Once the project is created, you can start working on the details. Click on the project, and you will see these additional options. On the Details tab, you can edit the project's name and add a description to it. For example, looking for agents to set appointments for live demonstrations of the product. And you can also add tags to the projects. For example, sales or appointment setting or setters. And when you're done, just go ahead and click on the Next tab. Then the next tab is the leads database, where you can upload all the information of the potential customers that your agents will be calling. Click on Import Client Database and click on Browse. Then you will have to select the Excel sheet you want to use for that project. Click on Open, and the information is ready now for you to set it up as you want it. You can actually label the information that you want your agents to see. For example, if you want them to see the company name, you can add that column and add to it company name. Click on Add, and then you can add the contact information. Once you're done, click on Send File to Project so that the information is saved on the platform. It might take a few seconds to upload, and once it is uploaded, the system will tell you if there is any issues or information that is missing or invalid. Now that you have it uploaded, just go ahead and select yes if you want it to be uploaded as it is, or not if you want to make changes on the list and upload it later. I'll go ahead and select yes for now. And now that we have the list saved up on the platform, you have the options to make changes on the leads as well. You can actually add leads manually to the system, and you can take actions on what to do with the information that's on here. For example, if you want to remove this number, just go ahead and click on End, and this number will be removed from the list to be dialed. If you want to put it back, just go ahead and click on Clean, and it should be added again. And if you want to edit the information, just go ahead and click on Edit, add or remove the information that you want to edit, and click on Edit, and that should be done. So that's pretty much everything that you can do on the leads itself. Now it's time for us to move to the contractor section. From here, you will be able to see the agents that you have hired for this project. And if you need to look for more agents, just go ahead and click on Search Contractors, then Looking for Jobs. And you will be able to see all the people that is actually looking for jobs and the list here. Click on the one that you're interested, and you will be able to see all the profile from that person, even including a recording from that person as well. You can send them an invite to a specific project that you can select from the drop-down, and you can also set your pay rate. Finally, you can add a message to the contractor that you are interested in. Once you're done, just go ahead and click on Invite. Send the invite. On the other side, they will see something like this. Once they accept, it will be on waiting until you confirm the invitation. And then the agent will be able to start working on your project. Now, going back to the configuration of your projects, let's go ahead and see the next tab. The next tab is actually the script, where you can place the script that you want your agents to use on the calls. Pretty simple, right? After that, you will find the Dispositions tab, where you can customize the dispositions for the agent at the end of the call. For example, you can add a new disposition, or you can remove a new disposition. And you can also set up what the buttons can do at the end of the call. For example, you can choose what to do with the callbacks. You can choose to do not call again, or have the contractor to choose the time and date, or have the system to try to call back next day at a specific time or date set up by your company or by yourself. Click on save, and that should be it. Now, on the calls tab, you will be able to see all the call records from your agents or a specific one in case you have multiple. You can also filter the calls by disposition or just simply select all to see them all. And you can select the period of time that you want to see the records from. Click on apply and you will see the information here. And finally, you can just click on the call and you will be able to see the notes if the agent left any notes on that call. And finally, the Settings tab is for you to set up the last details of your project. For example, you can enable it and disable it from here, make it visible or invisible to the contractors, and set up your budget for this project. You can choose to activate the project, or if you're still working on it, go ahead and select staging. Select the phone number that you want to use for this project, and remember that you can use the same phone number for multiple projects in case you have more than one. And finally, you can go ahead and select if you want to make call recordings. So this is pretty much how you can create a project and put it to work. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial, and see you next time.